at this guy. The endless smiles, the booming laughter, the guy who felt like a human shot of espresso every time he came on your screen. Could you ever have imagined what was happening behind the curtain? For years, Khaleed Al Ameri was that anchor for millions, a source of pure joy, connection, and family. But life has a way of dismantling even the most beautiful structures we build. When the camera is turned off and the dust settled on a painful, public heartbreak, the silence was deafening. Losing a love that defined your world isn't just about losing a person. It's about losing the future you planned. It's the sudden, terrifying realization that the map you were using is gone. For Khaleed, the journey wasn't just raw, it was deeply human, played out in the quiet spaces away from the internet's noise. How do you show up for millions when you're struggling to show up for yourself? You don't. At least, not right away. First, you have to sit in the dark. You have to admit that it hurts. Khaleed's evolution wasn't about pretending the pain didn't exist. It was about honoring it. He found that healing isn't a straight line. It's a daily choice to put one foot in front of the other. He started traveling deeper, looking into the eyes of strangers, and discovering that human connection is a mirror. In learning their stories, he began to piece together his own. He lost the love he thought would last forever, but in the empty space it left behind, he found something just as vital. He found himself. This isn't just a story about a public figure picking up the pieces. This is a mirror for anyone who has ever had to start over. Whether it's a broken relationship, a failed career, or a dream that shattered in your hands, starting over is terrifying, but it's also a blank page. Khaleed Al Ameri showed us that you can bleed, you can break, and you can still stand up again. Heartbreak is a chapter, but it is never the whole book. So if you're starting over today, take a breath. The story isn't over yet. Like, share, drop your thoughts down in comment section, and follow for more such stories.